Welcome to Plan Watch Walk, the home of great walking and open and honest equipment reviews. Today we start from the car park at Hethpool in College Valley and start with a great walk along College Valley itself. The walk at this point is easy along a single track road with magnificent scenery. Along the route we pass the Cheviot Memorial, dedicated to the servicemen who lost their lives in World War II. As we continue, we pass Mount Hooley on our way to the head of the valley. Bearing left, we head towards the Three Sisters waterfall and then up the Hen Hole. Climbing out of the Hen Hole, we come to Alchop Cairn and pick up the route of the Pennine Way. Descending Alchop, we come to the Mountain Rescue Hut, and then we ascend Burney Brae and the Shill at 601 metres. The views from here and along the route of the Pennine Way are really good, and they just keep on giving along the way. We skirt around Black Hag, and our last ascent is to White Law. We now leave the route of the Pennine Way before we cut across and pick up the route of St Cuthbert's Way. The descent now back into the village is very pleasant, and we pass Elsden Burn and continue to have some great views as we move to the conclusion of what's been a great day's walking.